Ramayana is the story of Ram, the prince of the city of Ayodhya, the capital of Kausala kingdom belonging to Raghuvansh. Dashrath, the king of Kausala, was childless for a long time and anxious for an heir, performs yagna for the gods to bless him with progeny. The gods present him with a bowl of divine nectar. His three queens partake of this, and in due course, four princes, Ram, the twins Lakshman and Shatrughna, and Bharata born to them. Ram, being the eldest, is naturally groomed as the future king. All the brothers are close-knit, with Lakshman forming the closest bond with Ram. Together they are schooled in archery by Vishwamitra. Vishwamitra leads Ram and Lakshman to Mithila, ruled by King Janak. Janak's daughter Sita is to wed, and the king is holding a contest to select the best prince for his daughter. Ram wins the contest and returns to Ayodhya with his new bride. Dashrath decides to abdicate and to crown Ram as the next king. Kaikeyi, the third and youngest of Dashrath's queens, reminds her husband of a promise he had given to her a long time ago that he would grant her any two wishes she had. Kaikeyi demands that her son Bharat be the next king and that Ram be banished to the forest for 14 years in exile. The king, unable to refuse these wishes, agrees. The coronation preparations are halted and Ram is told to prepare to leave for the forest. Ram, Sita and Lakshman leave for the forest. The king descends into despair and dies soon afterwards. All this while, Bharat and Shatrughna have been away from the kingdom. They are summoned upon their father's death, and when they arrive, Bharat is aghast at his mother's greed and promises that he will restore Ram as king. He travels to the forest to convince Ram to return to Ayodhya. Ram refuses on the grounds that he must obey his father's command, but Bharat is permitted to take Ram's sandals back to Ayodhya so that they may be enthroned symbolically and Bharat may rule as a regent for Ram. The story details the experiences of the trio in the forest. Ram and Lakshman frequently battle the forest demons that disturb the hermit's meditations. One such demon, Shurpanakha, who tries to get too close to Lakshman and in the bargain gets her nose snipped off by him. Mad with anger, she decides to take revenge. She describes the incident to her brother, Ravan, the demon king of Lanka, and coaxes him to avenge her insult. Ravan decides that he must possess Sita and has his uncle Marich take the form of a deer to attract Sita's attention. Sita sends out to Ram to capture the deer for her as a pet. The deer leads Ram far away from their cottage, and when he realizes that this is no ordinary deer, Ram kills it. The dying demon shouts Sita's and Lakshman's names in Ram's voice, causing Sita to send Lakshman out to help Ram. When the cottage is thus unguarded, Ravan sweeps in, kidnaps Sita and flies off to Lanka. Ram and Lakshman decide to travel to Lanka to fight and kill the demon king and to get Sita back. On their journey, Ram befriends Sugriv, the king of a troop of monkeys. Sugriv sends groups of monkeys in all four directions to scout out the location of Ravan. The group that travels south contains Hanuman, Sugriv's minister. Hanuman decides to leap across the sea to Lanka and continue the search there. He locates Sita imprisoned there, identifies himself and assures her that help is coming. He also has skirmishes with the demon king's army and informs Ravan that his days are numbered. Upon Hanuman's return from Lanka, the entire monkey army, Ram and Lakshman, march to Lanka and battle against Ravan's army for 18 months and demolish the kingdom. Sita is restored to Ram. Soon the required period of exile of 14 years comes to an end and Ram returns to Ayodhya and is crowned as king. The Ramayana is the great and glorious Indian epic that has been treasured for over 10,000 years, enshrining ideals that are ageless, teaching lessons that are timeless, telling stories that are enduring, embodying truths that have withstood the test of time.